Hi everyone. So I'm recording a quick video to show folks how I'm having so much fun, too much fun with Zoom and presenting and sharing my lecture slides in class in a way that mixes things up a bit. So I'm in a Zoom meeting, as you can see. And if your Zoom is updated, this was a few updates ago at this point, so hopefully it is. You click share screen in the bottom like you normally do. But then here, instead of choosing one of your screens, click advanced, and it still says it's still being beta tested here. But I haven't had problems with it. So click PowerPoint as a virtual background, share, and then click your slides. It does need to be a PowerPoint format. And then it takes a second to load up. And I've had so much fun with this, y'all. So your little video is here and you can go wee. You can make it bigger or smaller. If anyone from Zoom is watching, I wish that I could rotate, and I'll show you why in a second. But here, so unfortunately, you can't see your notes. So I'll usually have my notes up on the other monitor. But here you can click through, and then this is how I've started having fun with it. So here, I'm in the Polaroid. I'm on vacation. I'm popping out of the Polaroid. Let's see. Here's another one. I'm camping. And my students are in half remote, half in-person classes, but I found that this helps mix things up a bit. Here I have a little spaceship. See, and so it's so cute. So I wish I could rotate it so that last week was the week of Halloween, and so I had a Marge Simpson thing with the face cut out, and Marge Simpson, with the hair, and so she was kind of like this, but then my video was straight, so it didn't fit as well. See, or you can do a plain black background, or there's all sorts of possibilities here. And there was one more I wanted to show. Yes, this one I was excited about too. So look at how cute this is. So I've had a blast with this, and it's kept things fun and mixed things up a bit. And my students like this, I call it the floating head. They like it more than the regular sharing screen or other things I've done, because they said it feels like I'm in front of the slides, presenting like I would in class. And then it also mixes things up and gives us these fun little things too. Or I'll move myself around and be pointing at things. So anyway, I hope that this was helpful. Again, it's just through the sharing screen options and click advanced and PowerPoint as virtual background. And then it's, our limits are our own imaginations. So there's all sorts of options. I like the Polaroid thing, or that, here it is, or this thing, there's all sorts of options. Or it's if you're teaching art content, oh my God, possibilities truly endless. I did a Where's Waldo thing where I made myself as small as possible on the Where's Waldo slide. So there's all sorts of things that we can do for this. And it's been keeping things a little exciting. And it's let me, help keep my students engaged during the 2 hours on Zoom we have together. So I hope this helped. If you were wondering what I was doing or how to do it, yeah, let me know if you have any questions.